Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting in Clipchamp, so open the app and create a new project, then import the clip you'll trim. Place that clip on the timeline immediately and pick the correct aspect ratio so your edits match the final output. Once your footage is on the timeline, scrub to the first cut point and zoom the timeline for precision. This makes small trims easier. Make sure the playhead and clip edge align before you take the first cut. Now you'll refine the trim. Move the playhead to the exact frame and press S to split where you want to remove or keep footage. Use JKL or the spacebar to shuttle frame by frame for precision. Drag the left or right clip edges inward for simple head or tail trims, and split then delete to remove middle sections. Once done, nudge cuts by small amounts using the arrow keys if you need frame-perfect adjustments, and keep finish by previewing the entire sequence and applying quick transitions or fades to hide any jump cuts. This improves flow. When you're happy, choose Export, set resolution and bitrate, then render. Once rendered, review the file to confirm timing stayed intact. If something goes wrong, restart Clipchamp and reopen the project. If export still fails, check that clips use compatible codecs. Clear temporary files and confirm you have enough disk space. These fixes result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.